Chicken stir-fry is a delicious and versatile dish that can be prepared in a variety of ways. Here's a basic recipe to get you started. Ingredients. 1 pound, 450 grams, boneless, skinless chicken breasts or thighs, sliced into thin strips. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 3 1 tablespoon cornstarch. 4 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 5 1 onion, thinly sliced. 6 2 cloves garlic, minced. 7 1 bell pepper, thinly sliced. 8 1 cup sliced mushrooms. 9 1 cup broccoli florets. 10 1 carrot, julienne. 11 salt and pepper to taste. 12 optional, chopped green onions and sesame seeds for garnish. For the sauce. 1/4 cup soy sauce. 2 tablespoons oyster sauce. 3 1 tablespoon hoisin sauce. 4 1 tablespoon rice vinegar. 5 1 teaspoon sesame oil. Instructions. In a bowl, combine the sliced chicken with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix well and let it marinate for about 15 minutes. In a separate small bowl, whisk together all the sauce ingredients: soy sauce, oyster sauce, hoisin sauce, rice vinegar, and sesame oil. Set aside. Heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Add the marinated chicken and stir-fry until it is cooked through and lightly browned. Remove the chicken from the skillet and set it aside. In the same skillet, add another tablespoon of vegetable oil. Add the sliced onion and minced garlic, and stir-fry for about 2 minutes until they start to soften. Add the sliced bell pepper, mushrooms, broccoli florets, and julienne carrot to the skillet. Stir-fry for another 3 to 4 minutes until the vegetables are tender crisp. Return the cooked chicken to the skillet with the vegetables. Pour the prepared sauce over the chicken and vegetables. Stir everything together to coat the ingredients evenly with the sauce. Cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes until the sauce thickens slightly. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper if needed. Remove the stir-fry from heat and garnish with chopped green onions and sesame seeds, if desired. Serve the chicken stir-fry hot over steamed rice or noodles. Enjoy your homemade chicken stir-fry. Feel free to customize it by adding other vegetables or spices according to your preference.